Elmo is at a picnic in the park with Julia and her brother Samuel.
Picnic!
There are lots of fun things to do at a picnic.
There sure are, but it's important to remember that even if things go wrong, we can always have fun by making little changes.
Make it work.
That's right, Julia. Let's go. What do you want to do first? Click on an area to choose an activity. Okay, let's play a sport. Do you want to play basketball, play soccer, or play catch? Okay, let's play basketball. Elmo loves basketball too.
Let's shoot some hoops.
Wait for the right moment and then click on Samuel to shoot the ball.
Swish.
Uh-oh, the basketball accidentally got stuck in a tree.
Now we can't shoot the ball.
How do you think Samuel is feeling?
Happy, irritated,
Or
angry. Irritated. When you're irritated, you are annoyed and angry.
it's okay to feel.
Irritated.
It's important to remember to go with the flow. Let's take a minute to calm down. How should Samuel calm down? Find some shapes. Take 3 belly breaths. Or count the bubbles. Let's take 3 belly breaths. Click to help Samuel take belly breaths.
Three belly breaths. Now I feel better.
That's better. What should we do now? Do you want to play basketball in a new way? Play soccer or play catch? Okay, let's play basketball in a new way. Elmo and Samuel are gonna make it work.
We can use something else too. Shoot! Let's use this balled up paper. You did it! Thanks for playing!
You really